In programming, a white space refers to any non-printing characters, such as spaces, tabs, and end-of-line symbols. You can use white space to organize your output so it's easier for users to read. Now, let's add a tab to your text. So you can use this character combination to add tab to your text. So now let's print here, this here. This is a Python tab, and after that we will add this character combination, or actually let's add this between this is M and Python tab. T here. Now let's run it. And as you can see here, we have a tab here. This is a tab. So to add a new line in a string, you can use the character combination of N here. And as you can see here, this is a new line. This is a new line. And after that, we have another space character that we used here. So let's delete this and this. Here you are seeing the new line without any spaces here. But we can also do like this, for example, print programming languages and languages, and here we're gonna add the new line and Python, or we can also before programming languages, let's add character tab so it will look nice. So Python, C++, or yes, new line C++, new line Java, new line Swift. And here, as you can see here, we have a tab here, Python, C++, Java, and Swift with new lines here. So you can also combine the tabs and new lines in a single string, and the strings in T here, in T tells Python to move to a new line and start the next line with tab. Now we will do that here. Let's actually add two tabs here. You can add here. And as you can see here, the programming languages, Python and C++ with two tabs here. This is the first tab and second tab, first tab and second tab. And here we have Java with only one tab and Swift with only one tab here. And as you can see, it's here, new line tab, and new line tab here, and new line tab. So new lines and tabs will be very useful in the next two sections when you start to produce many lines of output from just a few lines of code.